Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Serial A to Z. Today we are talking a look at a collection of some of the funniest, weirdest and most emotional moments from parents. This set of moments from friends, this set of scenes of perfectly capture why the show remains one of the most beloved sitcom of all time. From Chandler Sariscam and Joey ridiculous acting career to Monica and Chandler adoption journey and Rachel emotional goodbye. There a little bit of everything here. Let's jump right in. The first major storyline revolves around Monica and Chandler searching for a new house. Their friends mistakenly think Chandler is having an affair after seeing him with a mysterious woman named Nancy. The tension builds for a moment before Chandler reveals the truth. Nancy is actually their real letter. This is a classic Friends comedy. The writers create drama only to destroy it with a hilarious punchline. Joey immediately jokes that Chandler could not spend forth 5 minutes with a woman anyway, reminding us once again why the group's chemistry is so strong. Meanwhile, Monica is preparing and the thanks for Thanksgiving dinner and ask Chandler to help. What start as a simple cooking task quickly turns into comedy gold. Monica gives him the easiest responsibility possible, making cranberry sausage because in their worlds nobody really cares about it. That line perfectly summarizes Monica's responsibility. She obsessed with perfection and trust almost nobody in the kitchen. And next, we get one of the Joy most embarrassing moments. So, embarrassing moment, and a casting director claims she watched Joy audition tape and was not impressed. Joy Joy audition tape. Joy instantly realized she lying. Why? Because if she had actually watched that tape, and she would definitely have maintained the bizarre Japanese commercial he starred in. What follows is one of the funniest reveals in the entire series. Joey proudly performs his commercial from Ichiban lipstick for men, and it's every bit as ridiculous as you expect. This scene works because Joey has complete confidence in something that should probably embraces him forever. His ability to make absurd situations seriously is what makes the character so lovable. Another another hilarious flashback takes us back to Ross and Chandler college days. Both friends become interested in the same girl, Missy Goodberg. Instead of complete competing, they decide to make a fact that neither of them will date her. will let her. It's a classic example of young friendship logic. They create rules that sound noble but are clearly impossible to follow. The conversation becomes even funnier when they add random celebrities to their list of women they are supposedly forbidden from dating. Moving forward, the emotional tone begins to shift. Monica and Chandler discover that the house they want may be out of reach financial for a moment. If looks like their sleeping dream is sleeping, and through Rachel admit that simply looking across the street and seeing her friends living their everyday lives makes her feel comforted. It's super single touching moments becomes it reminds us that this group is not just a bunch of friends, they are a family. Speaking of family, Monica and Chandler adoption storyline becomes one of the strongest emotional threads. As they explore different adoption options, the reality of becoming parents starts to sink in. The process feels overwhelming, confused, and incredible important. This story gives us a more mature side of the show while still keeping the humor intact. And then comes one of the funniest side plots. Remember when Monica returned from vacation with Comrade? Chandler tries desperately to convince her that the hairstyle is not working. The problem is that he cannot bring himself to say it directly. Instead, he delivers awkward com- compliment that somehow sound even worse. The entire situation reaches peak comedy when Monica literally gets her hair stuck and Chandler has to help untangle her. It's a perfect example of physical comedy mixed with relationship humor. Then we get one of the greatest revelations in Friends history. Phoebe casually mentioned that Chandler once kissed Rachel back in college. Rose is shocked because he kissed Rachel that same night as everyone pieces together the story. A shocking truth emerges. Rose was not actually kissing Rachel, he was kissing Chandler. The confusion happened because Chandler was buried under a pile of coats in a dark room. The reveal is absolutely brilliant because it turns a romance memory into one of the most awkward moments imaginable. Even after multiple reviews, the scene remains hilarious. As the story progresses, Rachel prepare to reveal to for the farewell scenes are emotional because they parents the possibility of major change. Rose struggle with the idea of Rachel leaving while the entire group tries to process that fact that things may never never be the same. These moments remind us that Friends was not only about joke at its best. The show balanced comedy with genuine emotional stakes. Another standout storyline involves Janice. Just when Monica and Chandler thinking they are escaping her forever by the moving, they discover that Jenny may be coming next door neighbor. Never for Chandler, this is basically a nightmare scenario. His solution is ridiculous but effective. He pretends that he is secretly in love with Jenny and wants to continue a romantic relationship with her after she moves nearby. The plan works because Jenny becomes so uncomfortable that she decided not to move there. It classic Chandler solving problems with awkward humor and elaborate lies. Finally, we reach the emotional climax of Monica and Chandler adoption journey. After years of hoping, waiting and struggling, they finally meet their children, and then comes the surprise. Not one baby, twins. Their reaction capture everything fans love about the couple. They are terrified, overwhelmed, excited, and completely in love all at the same time. It's one of the most heartwarming moments in the entire and service beautiful long journey. So what make all of scenes work so well? It's the balance. Friends can move from laugh out loud comedy into genuine emotion within a second. One moments we are watching joy adventure. Very few sitcoms have ever managed that balance successfully. Overall, these scenes showcase everything that made Friends cultural phenomena and unforgettable characters, brilliant chemistry, hilarious. Whether in children, Sariscam, Joey, confidence, Rose, awkward, Monica, perfectionism, Rachel, growth, or Phoebe, unreasonably, every character gets a chance to shine, and that exactly why Friends continue to find a new fans around the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know next